Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today we're going to build this simple computer monitor stand equipped with four 3.0 USB ports and a SD card reader up front incorporated into the piece itself. While you guys check out the video, I'm going to go install this. I got the monitor stand done. What I realized is I didn't have any USB extenders, so I got to order some. Once I get those in, the SD card and the USB port that's on the front will work. But I thought I had some, but I don't, so I'm going to have to order some. Other than that, it worked pretty good. This was the main reason to doing this, just so I can have somewhere to slide in the keyboard out of the way so I can use my work laptop right here in front of me. So that was the main reason of doing this. Very simple project, worked pretty good. This was leftover hickory that I used from the kitchen table on my last video. If you want to check that out, check in the link below. I'll put a link in the description for the kitchen table and the also the parts that I used for this low profile SD card slot and USB port. That's all I got for you this week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.